guys, I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on PlayPosIt since it's not something we've done before. I decided I wanted to use this one over Edpuzzle just because there's some features that PlayPosIt has that Edpuzzle just doesn't have, and I thought they would suit us better for what we are going to do today. Alright, so when you follow the link on Google Classroom, it should take you to something like this. What you're going to do is, as always, click Sign In, and it's with Google. So right here, this very far one, sign in. It should take you to this, and it will say sign in, continue to PlayPosIt. I'm going to log in with my school email. Make sure you log in with your school email because I already have you guys sorted into classes. That way I can get your assignment data. All right, so once you sign in, it should take you to a page like this. Right now I have it in preview mode just because I don't need my own data on this. So I'm going to turn the sound off. You'll begin the lesson when you are ready. It'll start playing, and you are going to watch the scene and maybe watch my cat come over into my lap so she does not jump on my keyboard. It will not let you guys fast forward, but I will show you that you will be able to open this. So, oh my goodness, go down there. Stop that. So on the side, you'll be able to see all of the stuff on here. I didn't add too much for you guys on this one. So how you access this once again is you just go over to the sidebar and click on that. You won't have the option to copy bulb because you're not in the educator. You will be able to see any notes that are here, and then live transcript is not available for this one just because there wasn't one available for the YouTube video, but if there was, you'd be able to find it here. So any notes would be here. You can type in any notes that you have. So let's say I want to type in a note saying, wow, this is neato. I'm hip. I could say it like that, and it would save if I was in normal mode. I also do have access to these notes, and I'm able to see them. So if you guys do have questions or concerns or anything like that, feel free to type it in the notes. Just be aware I'll see it and everyone else will see it. So it will stop when there is a question. What is it doing? Yours will have a question that pops up. Complete required interaction. There we go. So our first one is, what are they discussing? So you're just going to type what they are discussing in the box. If you want to change anything, you can add audio and say what you want. You could insert a picture if you wanted as well. Please don't insert a picture for any of these because we don't need you to insert a picture for any of these. You can edit what you want. Again, you can insert all these different things in there. You can change the formatting. You can look at all this stuff if you want to. You can put a table in there. Whatever you want to do, just answer the question. There are going to be times in which you can see collaborate, and you'll be able to kind of see other people's questions and answers too as well. Really, it's pretty similar to Edpuzzle. It's pretty straightforward. If you guys do have any questions, please let me know. You can always shoot me a message or leave a comment or anything like that. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you later. I hope this answers any questions you may have on PlayPosIt.